Alright, so what is going on, everybody? Today I am going to be working on this little Civic out here. So you can see, if you look here, and then you look over here, don't mind the rust, but like, that side is a lot lower than this side. So, I'm going to switch those out because those are blown. I mean, it still rides nice, but it's like, it just looks really lopsided. So, got some coilovers, some for those camber kits, and then some LCAs and some subframe type R's and all that shit. All eBay stuff. Not really. This is pretty much all budget build, so I don't really care how much it is or whatever. So yeah, all I'm gonna do is now put it on jack stands, get the wheels off. I'm gonna do the fronts first, and then yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'll just take you guys along on how I do it. One of my friends, Gerardo, is going to come and probably help me out, and then my girlfriend's going to probably meet me here. So yeah, let's get right to it. Alright, let's get to unboxing this little baby. So the brand that I did go with, I heard some really good reviews on it for like just, even though it's just eBay. It's Max, what is it? Max Peating Rods. So let's try it out. It's like $250 or so. They do have the, what do you call them? The adjustable damper thing, but I don't really need that. I'm not tracking or anything. So yeah, here they are. Pretty orangey. Let's see how it goes. All right. Let me jack up the car and then take out the old struts and put the new ones in. Alright, so the car is now on jack stands. So pretty much, if you haven't done this before, if you are, if you already have or whatever, so all you're going to need to do is take off this 17 mil to the upper control arm, and then another 17 here with another 17 nut right there. And then once that's done, all you're going to have to do is pretty much take it all out. Pretty simple. Oh, and then also these two bolts on the top hat, and the same on the other side. So yep. So guys, pretty much all I am doing now is pretty much guessing what the ride height is going to be at. So I pretty much maxed the rears out, actually the fronts out, and then in the rears, I mean, it's kind of like halfway, but this is what I wanted it to be at. I'm not really too sure how it's going to look on the car yet. Once I put it on, and then I could just adjust it from there, but that's how I'm going to set it for now. So yep, let's get right onto it. So I don't even think these okay, alright, so it doesn't matter pretty much. Let's go install these. Let him, bro. Alright, so this guy came over already. It's already here, already has the other side pulled out, already got it set up, everything's all good, locked down. So pretty much, yeah, that's all you can see for now since it's still in jack stands. Once we get that on there, drop it down, I'll show you guys how it looks. I'm not trying to really slam it right now because I don't have wheels, because that just looks fucking gay. But hell yeah, brother, it's almost done. It only took like probably like 20 minutes from my side. Alright, so to put this bolt back on, make sure you make it easier so you don't like fucking fuck your back up and shit. Just use the jack. Just go up. Go up. I do this one first. It don't matter about that one. Keep going. Go up a little bit more. Right there. Oh. Might have to go down a smidge. Right there. Try it. Strip it through. Strip it through. And then just, you know, get a little mallet, hammer it through. There you go. Now you go ahead and drop it. Fire. And then pretty much that couple control arms back up there. And then just tighten all the bolts and then you're done. Alright, ready? About to go down, baby. I'm scared. Wait. Oh, I dig it. It'll be better when I have some wheels, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Still got clearance, still got my fucking bed liner or whatever. Your wheel liner. Awesome, dude. Damn! Alright. Alright, so it is another day. Alright, so what's going on? It's another day of doing the coilovers. So I didn't record the day before because I got like, it's whatever. So typical with fucking really old fucking rusted ass Hondas. Usually this would be seized in because it has that rubber, what do you call it? Just a rubber mount thing. Like a rubber bushing, that's what it is. Into the bowl and it gets seized into it, and then usually I would always fucking snap them, and I pretty much snapped. That one's fine. I snapped the one to the LCA to the actual fucking caliper, the one to the actual coil. So I ended up just taking it back to my house and getting a cutting wheel and just cutting everything off. Little trick for me to, like, since I cut it off, like, see how this is still there or whatever, it's not, this is welded on. Once it's on the back, all I have to do to take the actual thread off, since it's already fucking fucked, just cut a little slit right here, bend it a little bit, and then just knock it out. So here are the little eBay, what are these? Gods know. Okay. Camera kit. I didn't put the other ones on the front because I didn't really want to, like, move everything around, just take them all off to just, you know, actually put the front ones on to do whatever. Just me being lazy. So I'm just gonna do the rears for now. I will put those on once I get new wheels for this car. But yeah, so pretty much this is the update for right now. I gotta do this right here, go that into that. Pretty self-explanatory. I did get some LCA, so I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so everything is now put on. Got these tying, got new bolts for it. Alright, I think that's where it should be. Haven't completely locked it yet. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, got those, got the new one, got that bolt tie in. So, even the one in there. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna get started on the other side, and then once that's done, I'll show you guys once the car is dropped down. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so another new day again. Got really late the other day, yesterday, but everything's all finished now. Got all that, whatever. Don't mind the rust; it's so fucking ugly. That's done. Then you look in here, got the LCAs. They got the subframe brace on, and what is that, tie bar. Looks pretty meant for just a little bit of a, what is that, focus, eBay stuff. I mean, it's only $80. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I already did drive it for a little bit when I went to go to work. So, but other than that, I mean, I pretty much ride stock, like the way the rebound stiffness is. But yeah, for $250, you can't really beat that. Because I got BCs on my RSX, but I mean, real budget builder here. So if you guys are looking to get some coilovers for yourself, I will put a link in the description for these. They have pretty much have them for like every Civic car or whatever Honda that you guys have. They do some. The one I got didn't have adjustable dampening. I already told you that. Blah blah blah. They're like 300-ish, 320-ish. But I mean, these are 250, cheaped out. Doesn't really matter. I don't really need to do all that, but there you go. What it looks like. And that's that. So, yep. So stay tuned for the next video. I am going to be starting to work on this motor again. Gonna have to just repaint it, do all that. I did finally get in my chain guide, my oil pump chain. So yeah, that's about it for that. Just stay tuned for it. My car should be running pretty soon. That's gonna be another project that I'm gonna work on. Well, EK is gonna be another project that, you know, just there. Building it just because, just for fun. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the today's video. If you guys wanted to subscribe, like, do whatever you guys need to do. If you guys want to stay up on my build series here, whatever, got my bumper. Just leave that notification bell on, subscribe to me first, and yeah, that's about it. See you guys later.